The word root arc or archi originated from Greek. It means to rule or chief or first. Here is a list of some words that use this specific root. First one, hierarchy. It means a system in which members are ranked according to authority. Matriarch, a female head of a family or tribe. Patriarch, a male head of a family or tribe. ಒಂದು ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೇಟ್ರಿಯಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ಸೀಸ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್. ಮೊನಾರ್ಕ್ means a hereditary or sovereign head of state such as king or queen. Archbishop means a chief bishop. Archipelago, it means a group of islands. Historically, it is a chief sea or main sea. Oligarchy, it means a small group of people having control of a country or organization. Archenemy, it means a person's main or worst enemy. Autarky, a system of government by one person with absolute power. Next one, anarchy, a state of society without government or law. It means in Kannada arajakate. Last one, diarchy, a form of government ruled by two people. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.